You must have seen a lot of photographs of celebrities with the perfect jawline, narrow angles, and a tapering anterior part. Maybe you're wondering how to get that perfect jawline. Well, this video is all about jawlines. Hi, I'm Dr. Shreya Krishna, your trusted oral and maxillofacial surgeon from New Delhi. आज मैं आप लोग से बात करूँगी about square jaw correction and jawline contouring. वैसे बहुत definitions हैं perfect jawline की, but according to me, you are the boss for what a good jawline is. Now let's talk about what is square jaw. So square jaw का main attribute होता है very prominent jaw angles. हमारे jaw angles, also called as gonial angles, are nothing but this junctional area of the jaw जहाँ हमारा lower jaw का vertical part and horizontal part meet होता है. It's called the jaw angle or the gonial angle. For some people this is very prominent and bulging, and that is what gives you the square jaw appearance. Now what do we do when we have a square jaw? We need to do what is called as jawline contouring or shaving off of that prominent gonial angle. There is one more factor which contributes to this squarish appearance of the face, and that is masseteric hypertrophy. Now what is that? It's not just two complicated terms put together. Masseter is basically a muscle जो हमारे इस area of the jaw, that means gonial angle पे attach होती है. For whatever reasons ये कभी कभी मसल बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी हो जाती है एंड ये भी बल्ज करती है. सो दीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज टू फैक्टर्स, दैट इज़ अ प्रोमिनेंट गोनियल एंगल एंड मैसेटेरिक हाइपरट्रोफी, कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू अ स्क्वायर जॉ अपीयरेंस. नाउ स्क्वायर जॉ के बहुत सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, डिज़ायरेबल एंड अनडिज़ायरेबल. ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट इज़ डिज़ायरेबल इज़ डिसाइडेड अगेन बाय यू. So square jaw से you come across as having a strong personality but also slightly masculine, and that is why हमारे जो सबसे ज़्यादा patients हैं who come to us for square jaw correction are usually females who want a narrow, feminine and a very smooth jawline. So what does this procedure involve? First of all, इसमें हम CT scans करवाते हैं. We transfer the data to a computer software, and on the software we plan out कि how much of your gonial and jaw angle needs to be shaved off to give you that perfect contoured jawline. ये सर्जरी बहुत ही सटल होती है. It is not a big change in positioning of your jaws. Hence, the millimeters, the planning and the surgeon matter a lot. The second part of this surgery is masseter debulking. जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया, जो मैसेटर मसल कभी कभी बढ़ जाती है, दैट ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू स्क्वायर जॉ. हेंस इसी सर्जरी में हम नॉट ओनली आपका बोन शेव करते हैं फ्रॉम योर लोअर जॉ, बट ऑल्सो वो जो मसल है मैसेटर मसल, वी रिमूव अ सर्टन पार्ट ऑफ इट सो दैट इट श्रिंक्स इन साइज. Together, the combination of these two procedures is called as jawline contouring and masseter debulking, and it gives you the perfectly contoured jawline. Now very little about the surgery. It is completely scarless because पूरी की पूरी हम within the mouth करते हैं, बाहर कुछ नहीं दिखता. ये लगभग 2 से 2.5 घंटे की सर्जरी होती है. You are discharged the very next day from the procedure. Recovery time में there is mild discomfort, pain for a few weeks, maximum till 2 weeks to 1 month. The result shows in about a month's time when all your skin and all the swelling has settled, and your diet also goes back relatively quickly, which is about in 2 weeks of time. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you book your consult and get that jawline that you were waiting for? Thank you.